Now, so let's continue with the second model of circles SAQs, that is length of the chord. So length of the chord is 95% sure question. Very, very important. So the first question is, find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 on the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So whenever you see length of the chord problem, first you draw a circle. Then you draw a chord. This is the center, C. This is the perpendicular distance, D. This is the radius, R. This figure is compulsory in every length of the chord problem. Okay, once you draw the figure and this chord equation is given to us, what is that? X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So first we will write the given circle equation. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now from the circle equation we will find out GFC first. What is G? G is half of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is minus 8. So G will be minus 4. And F is half of coefficient of y. So that is minus 1. And C is constant, minus 8. Now after finding G, F and C, you find center. Center is given by minus G comma minus F. That is 4 comma 1. So you got center here, 4 comma 1. After finding center, you find radius. So radius R is given by, we have a formula to find radius, root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over, G is minus 4, so G square will be 16. Plus F is minus 1, so F square will be 1. Minus C is minus 8, minus into minus will become plus 8. So R is equal to root 25, which implies R is equal to 5. So you got center and you got radius. Radius is 5. Now we need to find out D. What is D? Perpendicular distance. So first let us write down what is D. D is perpendicular distance from center 4 comma 1 to the line. You can say line or chord, anything you can write. So to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we take center as x1 and y1, and from this line equation we take ABC values. A is coefficient of x, B is coefficient of y, and C is the constant term. Now what is the formula for perpendicular distance? Formula is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. See, center we got it as 4 comma 1 and line is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So as I told you, center we take it as x1 y1, and from line equation we get a is 1, b is 1 and c is 1. Now we substitute these values in perpendicular distance formula. So that is mod a is 1, x1 is 4 plus b is 1, y1 is 1 plus c is 1 by root over a square plus b square. That is 6 by root 2. So if I rationalize this, we get root 2 by root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 is root 2 into root 2 is 2. Otherwise, without rationalizing also we can do. Let us write d as 6 by root 2. So now we'll find out d square. D square is 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2 18s are. So we got d square is equal to 18. And what is the radius? Radius is 5. Radius is 5, so r square is 25. We need d square and r square values for length of chord. Now we will apply length of chord formula. So what is length of chord? 2 root r square minus d square. This is the formula for length of chord. Now we need to substitute. R square is 25 minus d square is 18. So that is 2 root 7 units. Let's take the second question from the same model. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0 on the line y is equal to x minus 3. Again we draw a figure. Figure is a must in all the length of chord problems. First draw a circle, then draw a chord, center, perpendicular distance, radius. And the line is y is equal to x minus 3. Okay. So first let us write the given circle equation. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. From the circle equation we find GFC. So look at here. G, how to find G here? X coefficient is minus 1. What is half of minus 1? Minus 1 by 2. Y coefficient is 3. So F is half of Y coefficient I said. So that is 3 by 2. And C is the constant minus 22. This question you need to do it carefully as you have fractions here. Now after getting GFC we find center. Center is denoted by capital C. Formula is minus G comma minus F. That is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. After finding the center, we find radius. Radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus of minus 22 is plus 22. Now when denominators are same, we can add the numerators. So 1 plus 9 is 10 by 4 plus 22. You can cancel 2 2s are 2 5s are. Now radius is equal to root over 5 by 2 plus 22. Now denominators are not same. Here you have denominator 2, here you have denominator 1. So we take LCM. How to take LCM? Cross multiply. So 5 plus 44 by 2. That is equal to root over 49 by 2. So R is equal to 7 by root 2. This is R. Now after finding R, we need to find D. So first we need to write D. What is D we need to write? So D is perpendicular distance from center. What is the center we got? 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. To the line. What is the line given to us? Y is equal to x minus 3. But we need to shift all terms to one side to find ABC values. So let us take y this side. So we get x minus y minus 3 is 0. We are taking y to the other side, so only y sign will change. Remaining all remains the same. Okay, so from here we get ABC values. A is 1, B is minus 1 and C is minus 3. Be careful about the signs. Don't take B as simply 1. You should take minus 1. Okay. Now we write the formula for D, that is mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. So that is mod A is 1, this 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, we take x1, y1. So x1 is 1 by 2 plus b is minus 1, y1 is minus 3 by 2 plus c is minus 3 by root over a square plus b square, 1 plus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by root 2. Now here denominators are same. We can add these numerators. So that is 4 by 2 minus 3 by root 2. This is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 will become plus 1. So you got d is equal to 1 by root 2. So d square is 1 by 2. Now how much did you get r? R is 7 by root 2. So r square is 49 by 2. Now we want a length of chord. What is length of chord formula? 2 root r square minus d square. That is 2 root 49 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is 2 root 48 by 2. When denominators are same, you can add or subtract the numerators. Now cancel. 2 ones are 2 24s are. Now that is 2 root 24. But 24 can be further solved. Can be written as 4 into 6. But we know root 4 is 2. So 1, 2 comes out. Remaining root 6 will be inside. So that is 4 root 6 units. Why we are writing units? Because it is a length. It is a dimension. So it is measured in units. Length is always measured in units.